Looking to make your home more eco-friendly? Start with your garage door. Traditional garage doors often waste energy and rely on unsustainable materials. But eco-friendly garage doors offer a smarter alternative. Made from recycled or responsibly sourced materials and designed with better insulation, they help keep your garage cooler in summer and warmer in winter, reducing your energy bills and your environmental impact. These doors also use safer finishes and paints that don't release harmful chemicals into the air, making them healthier for your family and the planet. Also, they're built to last, meaning less waste over time. Want to upgrade your home's comfort, curb appeal, and sustainability all in one move? Contact us today to explore eco-friendly garage door options that match your style and values.